How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Anycubic Slicer to do multicolor 3D prints for the Anycubic Kobra tree. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to the printer section, and from here you then want to select the right printer model that you are using. So in my case, I'm going to select the Anycubic Kobra X 0.4 nozzle. If you want to edit this out, just click on the Create Printer option, and from there you will be able to edit your printer to editing like the nozzle diameter, the printable space, and more. Basically, I already have my own preset, which is going to be this one, and then it will modify the plate right here, so we have to adjust our print depending on our plate. Now, just to make things easier, I'm going to add a basic shape on my plate. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to design your model the way you want to, but to simply color this or to add multicolor, you can just navigate through the filaments option. In here, click on the plus icon, which will basically add more filaments onto our shape. And so let's say that we want to add a text onto our model, and this text will say something like Guide to Everything. It's really easy to go ahead and change the color of these objects that have been merged onto our model. So in my case, I'm going to be editing this text right here. To do that, just navigate through the objects category. Now there's going to be the global, which will take us to the settings of our support, speed, quality, and more. Just click on objects and you will be able to see the objects that have been merged to your object. So I want to change the color of this specific text. To do that, just right click on it, click on the change filament option, and then you have the ability to select the filament color and the filament that you have for your project. Now, you can add filaments by once again clicking on the plus icon, and to change its color, you then want to click on the color icon, and then let's say something like we want to apply the red color. So let's just select that, right click on it once again, change filament, and apply the Anycubic PLA red. Now, if you want to add colors manually, you can just click on the plus once more. And for my third color, I then want to use something like yellow. And then once you have all of your colors ready, you can just click on your object, and from here you want to select the color painting feature. So click on it, and then you have different tool type to choose from. Maybe you want to just apply something like the circle tool, triangle tool, and more. I'm going to increase the pen size to make things easier. And then of course, let's select the color yellow. In here, let's apply the color the way we want to. And basically from there, that's how you use Anycubic Slicer to do multicolor 3D prints for your Anycubic Kobra tree. From here, just click on the slice plate option and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.